It's okay, not me. Okay, I think kita boleh start lah ya. So just 6. Are they more coming? Coming Oh. Okay, never mind. Just wait for 1 or 2 minutes. Put your bags on the back ni kat sini. Please. I didn't know he just woke up. You guys are working at different time zone, that's why. Come in. Please come in. All your bags, put at the back here. Yeah? All your bags, put it back here. See anywhere, but that side is, there's some computers are not working well. How many of you here are using PictoChart for your infographics? Oh, okay. Oh, only four of you. The rest are using what? Okay. Canvas or Canva? Canva, and then Photoshop. All right. Any PowerPoint? Okay. Like this. The idea actually is like this. As I go, if you can access to your own infographics, so as I go to each one of it, you will then get some ideas, yeah, and also get then you can also edit as I go along, yeah. So hopefully lah, yeah. So okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Very good morning to all of you. So thank you for coming, yeah. So this is I combine this infographic clinic and also website development workshop only for this morning, since you are, I think, quite free on Friday. So just wonder, this is for infographic. So how many of you actually will stay on for the workshop? Website development workshop. Okay, all right. Okay then. All right. Okay then. And there be different people coming. I think assuming for the website. Okay. Later, those who actually came in for this clinic, can you later fill out the attendance on this side? Yeah. Actually, I'm going to apply for my CSD. Not for me lah, yeah. For you guys lah. Yeah? Okay. Now let's start on the first one. So I go by the queue lah, yeah. Who submitted first will get my feedback first. Let's have a look at this one. Okay, so batuk, pertussis. Who is this? Can I see the hands? Yours, Tanesh, This is the one. Okay. All right. Let me see. By the way, I need to also let you know, I am also recording this session. Well, I'm hoping I'm recording now, yeah. So I will put up as well this one on my website lah. Yeah, later, if you want to, you can actually have a look. Hopefully, yeah. Okay, let's have a look at this quickly. So you have the title in the middle, which is fantastic because the first thing I see is the title. All right. So this one is good because when you have an infographic, what you really want to have is to firstly to grab the person's attention, to capture the person's attention. So in this case, I can see the batuk pertussis kokol. Betul ke ni? Kokol. Is it how it's being ni? Kokol. Is it a term? Yeah. Okay. I take it as it is. Yeah. So that is quite big. So that's quite cool. Yeah. And I can see straight away, if you're a person, we are actually quite visual. Yeah, 80%, we tend to see things first before we actually name them and start to give things definition and so on. Yeah. So here you can see that the icon here. This lady is quite big. This icon is quite big. Yeah, you can see where also the data. Yeah. So before I think before I go further, I think I should clarify the idea. Yeah? What would be the difference between poster and infographic? Yeah. Have a look at all of you, your infographic. Yeah. When you talk about poster, you talk about you just tell, for example, like this. Yeah. This is I would say this is a part of a poster. You just tell as it is. There's not much data. Yeah, there's not much statistics. All right. This could also be a part of a poster. This part. Yeah. This part can be also part of poster. This only that side. Yeah. So meaning that there's not much data in there. It's just to say you have this lady, yeah, and then you just point out a few things in there. That's it. All right. That is a poster, I would say. Yeah. But when you talk about infographics, it's actually you talk about like this. You have data. You have statistics. Yeah. To support whatever you want to show. Yeah. But you put the data or statistics in a visual form, in a graphic. Right. So that's in short what is infographic. Because I think that day in the last workshop, towards the end somebody asked me what is actually infographics. So that is when you have the data and you use visual information or graphics to represent the data. Yeah. So the more data you have and you can compress within in a short length of like a poster size, that's the better. Okay. But in this case, it's still okay because you have a mixture of a poster like and also graphics. Yeah. Okay. So to me, my feedback on this one, yeah, I like it because you actually divide it into four segment. Fantastic. Yeah. Color is nice. All right. The use of different color also is pleasing on the eye. It's not too glaring or it's like this is a nice compliment. The colors are actually chosen are a nice compliment. Yeah. Okay. The rest I think okay. This is okay to me. Yeah. What I could change if I want to. Yeah. Would be I feel that is too close. The space is a bit too close. You see the text and then the next text is all quite close together. They are crowded actually, a bit crowded. Yeah. So what you can do is to make it smaller fonts. That's all. Yeah. But the rest I think is okay. No problem. Okay. No problem. Okay. The next one. Come in. Put the bags on the side. Next one would be. Let me see. Oh, there's another one coming in. So tunggu at the end. Where are you? Next one is foot mouth disease punya ni. Where are you? Here, yeah. Is this the one? No, this is batuk kering. This one, okay. Right. So this one, okay. This one, okay. If you where is the person in charge? Okay, right. This one looks more like a poster. Okay. Why I say that? Because tell me where's the data? You need to highlight the data. Where are the numbers? Which one? This map is just a map. Where's the data on the map? Exactly. You separate them. Put the data on the map. Yeah. What means that my suggestion? You can make the map bigger. You can make the map, yeah, to fill one side of this segment. All right, and then you can put the data on the map. So, for example, Selangor 32.6%. Yeah. So you can just put you put a map of